So the objective of this trial is improving the current packaging of plums and nectarines to reduce the shrivel without the negative effect on quality. And the second objective was to determine the effect of improved humidity control in cold rooms on moisture loss and shrivel. So in this trial we used August red nectarines as well as Letitia and African delight plums. The fruit was sourced from commercial packhouse, repacked into the different packaging types, the liners, and accumulated in two different cold rooms, one with humidity control and the other one without. Fruit was weighed before at the repacking and once again after cold storage and shelf life, and obviously the fruit quality was also assessed after cold storage and shelf life. This is just a list of the treatments we used. You'll see the August red in the Letitias. We used, obviously you had your standard room, your humidity controlled room, and then for both we had a no wrapper bag, the standard perforated wrapper, a non-perf wrapper. We had a 36 by 4 mil perforated bag and a 72 by 4 mil perforated bag. And with regards to the African delight plums, we only had a no wrapper bag, a 18 by 4, 16 by 4, and a 72 by 4 perforated bag. Our results was that August red nectarines, the humidity control during accumulation had no real effect on the moisture loss or the quality of the fruit. The 36 by 4 millimeter perforated bag resulted in the lowest moisture loss from nectarines across all the treatments, followed by the 72 by 4 mil perforated bag. Overall, the best treatment at the end of cold storage and shelf life across all quality parameters was achieved by fruit packed in the 72 by 4 mil perforated bag, irrespective of relative humidity in the cold rooms during the accumulation time. And the accumulation time here was only 7 days. So the results for the Letitias was the flesh firmness was best maintained for fruit accumulated at the high humidity, with no clear indication trends with regards to the packaging types. No internal quality problems occurred after cold storage. However, internal browning after shelf life was higher in the fruit pack in the standard perforated wrapper and the 36 by 4 perforated bag. With the African delight, fruit packed without wrapper bag showed the highest mass loss compared to the fruit that was packed in the perforated bags, irrespective of perforation. And humidity also played a role, with high humidity during accumulation reducing the mass loss of the fruit. Just a quick conclusion. The 72 by 4 milliliter bag was the best with the Letitias, and the non-perforated wrapper maintained fruit quality the best at the end of the cold storage, plus the shelf life across all parameters. Accumulation at the higher humidity of 95% was the best. The normal cold room ran at roughly 80% humidity. So African delight perforated bag with the 18 by 4 millimeter whole configuration reduced mass loss the most, followed by the 36 by 4 millimeter bag. The latter, in combination with high humidity in the cold room during the accumulation period, kept shrivel and shrivel levels to a minimum. Thank you very much.